It's our work to spread what I can keep on teaching you, new things to do. But with the two cups, cup number 1 and cup number 2, I taught you how to look after your physicality. With the cup of man, I showed you how to elevate your soul, that the two cups are not needed. When you make the cup of man, do not look into the guns of the cup. Look into the soul of the cup. This is where you find your strength. And this is where you become a twin of a set. When I explain the cup of life and the cup of man, you always looked at the physicality. In the cup number 1, I gave you the physical dimension of the white tissue. In cup 2, I gave you the soul of the condition or the physical part of the muscle tissue. In cup of man, I gave you the interaction of the soul of the physicality and the soul of the man. In a way, you built yourself a twin system where number 1 is stronger because it carries the zinc, and number 2 is weaker, which carries the copper. In a way, when the soul of the man through the emotion gives to the physicality, you have now created what we know as a single soul. But this is the cup of the soul of the man. We call it the man. Now, I stand the man in front of his cup. And I put the soul of the man then now you understand the gift I gave you. If you understood, you should have made the cup this way. The cup of the soul and the cup of soul of physicality. Then, when you stood man in front of it, you would have seen both. And in so many ways, you should have got your answer. In a very, very simple way. The cup of man is not against the drink. The cup of man is the soul of the Creator to give